What's up, world? Welcome
What's
to
up,
our
y'all?
page, us evolving. We're
We're going
taking
on
a
a
little
bike
stroll
ride
through the
in the countryside. Yeah,
countryside of
of
Thailand.
Thailand.
And we will start from here to the jungle. This is the jungle.
Oh shit. Thank you.
Did you think pineapples grew on trees? So did I.
Everyone
No,
know
here in
here is
Phuket, these
pineapple.
sweet,
Yeah.
tangy fruits grow close to the
So the
ground on
pineapple in your
spiky
country?
plants.
Oh yeah. Oh, in UK have pineapple plantation?
No.
No.
No, we import it.
Import.
Yeah.
We will try it later. Yeah.
Cool.
You along the way you will see the two sides of we have special species. This one called Phuket pineapple. Yeah. This species is have the uniqueness is when you cut the pineapple, you will see the core inside. Normally you don't eat the core because it's hard. Okay, but Phuket pineapple, the core is not hard. It's crispy. You can eat it.
These palm oil trees soar these tropical landscapes, bearing clusters of bright orange fruits packed with versatile oil used in food, cosmetics, and biofuels worldwide. Fast growing and highly productive, these palms shape both landscapes and economies, Thailand being the number 3 supplier worldwide. If y'all look right behind me, this whole forest, nothing but rubber trees. Showed y'all in our last video. They tap the sap they tap out of these trees. They make latex sap, which makes rubber, make condoms, make tires, everything rubber. Thailand is the biggest distributor of that in the world. Yeah, me too. Ooh,
Hey y'all.
what you got to say, baby? How you rate this on
I'm
the
feeling
fitness?
good, y'all, but it is hot. I don't know if it's the bike ride, maybe heat, but it's a real strenuous.
Yeah, we
But I
doing
like it.
22 kilometers.
I like it. It's fun. Terrain has been cool too, y'all. So we've been on all different terrains: sand, rocks, mud.
What you doing, baby?
Huh?
What you doing?
Huh? I'm trying
She can't even drive. The terrain getting tough right here. We going all downhill in this mud. We in the middle of the jungle in Thailand. Let's go. Yeah, I can't record and drive. Going over rivers and shit. Ooh, stuck in the mud right now.
my foot.
It's getting real.
No, moving.
Yo, this shit is no joke.
It's no
This shit
joke.
is no joke at all. Not even a little bit.
So y'all can see we going through all types of terrain here. Mud, dirt, street, mountain, rocks. But this is where the tourists usually don't go. This is local community. We just off the path. Somewhere in the middle of Thailand in the jungle. That's what it's all about though. Peace, man.
Oh shit.
Oh, she back there dying. Woo! Ah, shit. It's always one, y'all. Look, she is stuck in the mud over here. Let's see if she can get through, y'all. She got it. Yeah, we just went through. Got my whole feet soaked right here. So I know she mad. Here she go. Keep going, baby. Go, go, go. Keep going.
Okay.
Go, 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 go. Keep that momentum. Go, go, go. Good job, baby.
Some people use it for shampoo. This is very useful plant. The elephant they love to eat it. This is the herbal. You can use whole tree. Garangao. Same species with ginger. Many Thai menu use garangao. You wanna try clean your hand with the liquid? Can smell. How it smell? Did you smell it? No?
No, you can't really smell anything.
Not really.
Oh, it's sad.
It's a hell of a bike ride. Say you that. Man. Let's see what we got. Try not to drop it. All right, we are fueled up. Just had a fresh coconut water out of a coconut. Fresh pineapples on a journey. You can see. Yeah, so we are at the halfway mark. Halfway mark is 11 kilometers. I believe that is like 6 miles.
That's crazy that we're only halfway right now. Because my ass hurts even more now. We shouldn't even have taken the break.
So that's halfway. This terrain keeps changing. We in the street. We got cars going by right now. Trying to go by. Maybe let this car go by behind you. Yeah, we in a rural area for sure.
can touch.
No.
Hello. Alright, now we made it to the city part. We're in the city now. We're going up across the road past bridge, I believe. Just riding in that truck. That is a hell out here. But here we go. Like we are now just in a little residential area. Nice, quiet, cozy neighborhood tucked away.
Anybody needs
It's the energy. Wow.
the brown one on top is a coconut.
I
If
killed
you
mine.
if you love
She had to say, baby.
This is no joke. My hat goes off to real mountain bikers.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Feel good. How y'all feeling?
Are you struggling?
Not at all. How about it?
That's a lie.
All I can say is, wow. We done pulled up this long pier. Just came out of the jungle and now we in a huge ocean. Look at this, man. Beautiful.
this is the seaside restaurant that we will end.
Lay Sam Seafood. a window into the island's living, breathing coastal ecosystem. Each morning you will see local fishermen return from the Andaman Sea with their catch, crab, squid, and snapper. These are the flavors of the ocean harvested by hand and brought to your plate. This skilled chefs here will transform these treasures into traditional Phuket-style dishes, infusing every bite with fragrant herbs, zesty lime, and a whisper of chili. From the pier, you can witness the intricate dance of daily life. Boats unloading, nets hauling, a pulse to the fishing community in motion.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Could you be mine? It's a wrap, guys.
It's a wrap.
We made it home. Home, sweet home. Like,
Comment.
subscribe.
This is S.E. Bob.